Imagine waking up to an AI assistant that not only brews your coffee but also predicts your mood, schedules your day, and even composes a personalized morning tune. No, this isn't the scene from a futuristic movie, it's the reality of 2025. Artificial intelligence has leaped from the pages of science fiction into our daily lives, transforming the way we live, work, and interact. Let's embark on a journey through 7 groundbreaking AI inventions that are reshaping our world. Number 7. OpenAI's GPT 4.5. In February 2025, OpenAI introduced GPT 4.5, codenamed Orion, and it wasn't just another upgrade, it was a brain transplant. Dubbed 10 times smarter than GPT-4 by developers and beta testers alike, GPT 4.5 delivers razor-sharp accuracy, deeper reasoning, and significantly reduced hallucinations. It can now interpret context like a seasoned therapist and crack jokes like your wittiest friend. One of the most jaw-dropping revelations. What once took dozens of engineers and weeks to rebuild GPT-4 can now be recreated by a small team of 5 to 10 developers using the streamlined processes of GPT 4.5. This shift marks a watershed moment in AI model scaling, cutting down time, energy, and costs like never before. GPT 4.5 is also optimized for longer memory spans, enabling richer, more coherent conversations across multiple sessions. Its voice and vision capabilities have seen a notable boost too, allowing it to recognize images and respond with contextually aware speech output in real time. Whether you're coding, composing, or just chatting, GPT 4.5 feels more like a collaborator than a chatbot. With this release, OpenAI has effectively turned yesterday's sci-fi into today's productivity tool and maybe even tomorrow's best friend. Number 6. Google's Gemini 2.5. Released in March 2025, Google DeepMind's Gemini 2.5 marks a major leap in the evolution of artificial intelligence. Think of it as the brainy cousin who finally learned to pause before blurting out answers. Unlike previous models that relied on pattern recognition alone, Gemini 2.5 incorporates active reasoning, allowing it to simulate thought processes before generating a response. Whether you're solving a tricky legal brief, composing a music score, or generating Python code that doesn't crash your server, Gemini 2.5 handles it like a pro. Its multimodal capabilities, processing text, images, and even audio in one go, make it incredibly versatile across industries, from healthcare and law to art and education. It's no longer just answering questions, it's understanding your intent and the bigger picture. Internally, it uses a reasoning engine called Pathfinder that traces decision logic, making its thought process more transparent. Even better, Gemini 2.5 is optimized for mobile use, enabling powerful, context-aware AI on smartphones and edge devices. In other words, your phone is now smarter than half your coworkers, and yes, it's available 24/7 with no coffee breaks. Number 5. The AI Scientist 2. In April 2025, researchers introduced a jaw-dropping innovation, the AI Scientist 2, an autonomous researcher capable of handling an entire scientific workflow without human intervention. Imagine a digital Einstein who doesn't sleep, doesn't need funding, and never forgets to cite its sources. This AI can read thousands of scientific papers in minutes, propose testable hypotheses, design experiments, and analyze results with laser precision. Most impressively, one of its papers was accepted at the MAL4 Science Workshop, an elite venue where even seasoned researchers struggled to get in. Built with advanced neural symbolic reasoning and reinforcement learning, AI Scientist 2 doesn't just crunch numbers. It draws connections between fields that human scientists might overlook. In a test case, it linked genetic anomalies in rare diseases to environmental variables, uncovering a novel research direction now being explored by human labs. Its presence has sparked debate about the role of AI in academia. Some fear job replacement, others see it as the ultimate collaborator. Regardless, the message is clear: the future of discovery isn't just human anymore. And if this keeps up, the next Nobel Prize might need a robot-sized podium. Number 4. NVIDIA's Cosmos. At CES 2025, NVIDIA once again proved it's not just the king of GPUs, but a true pioneer of AI innovation with the launch of Cosmos. This new AI model creates hyper-realistic synthetic videos that mimic real-world environments, allowing robots and autonomous systems to train in a virtual simulation instead of a physical warehouse or test track. Imagine a self-driving car learning how to handle a sudden snowstorm, or a warehouse bot mastering forklift maneuvers without the risk of smashing into actual walls or pallets. Cosmos uses generative AI to build these scenarios, adjusting lighting, object placement, and human interactions, all within seconds. The result? Safer, smarter robots at a fraction of the development cost and time. Developers can simulate years' worth of robotic training in mere days. NVIDIA's Cosmos is a game-changer for industries like logistics, manufacturing, and autonomous transportation. It also plays a crucial role in training disaster response robots in simulated emergencies. With AI-generated video realism so convincing, some developers joked it could replace movie CGI next. Who needs Hollywood when your robot's already a trained stunt double? Number 3. DeepSeek R1. In January 2025, the Chinese startup DeepSeek burst onto the global AI stage with a powerful open-source model, DeepSeek R1, and within weeks became the most downloaded app on the US iOS App Store, yes, even outpacing ChatGPT for a moment. Built on a massive dataset with 10 trillion tokens and trained on a customized compute stack, R1 isn't just another language model, it's China's bold declaration that AI leadership is up for grabs. DeepSeek R1 can write poetry, debug code, generate academic papers, and even translate dolphin speak into English. Okay, maybe not yet, but give it time. What truly sets it apart is its open access architecture, inviting researchers and developers worldwide to experiment, improve, and adapt it freely. This open-source approach reflects a growing trend in the AI world where transparency and collaboration are overtaking closed-door mega-corporate models. DeepSeek's emergence has also sparked friendly, and not-so-friendly, rivalries between US and Chinese developers, fueling faster innovation on both sides. Whether it remains on top or not, one thing's clear: DeepSeek R1 has officially disrupted the AI hierarchy. And it's just getting started. Number 2. K-Humanoid Alliance. In April 2025, South Korea officially launched the K-Humanoid Alliance, a groundbreaking collaboration between government agencies, top universities, and robotics firms. The mission? To develop a new generation of humanoid robots that can function in industrial, emergency, and domestic environments. These robots aren't your typical sci-fi androids. They're being designed to lift over 50 kilograms, navigate stairs, balance dynamically, and interact with humans using natural language processing. The goal is to have these commercial-ready robots operational by 2028, revolutionizing logistics, elder care, and disaster response. The alliance is spearheaded by the Ministry of Science and ICT, with support from industry leaders like Hyundai Robotics and Samsung Advanced Institute of Technology. This initiative mirrors South Korea's broader strategy to become a global robotics powerhouse, competing with the likes of Boston Dynamics and Tesla's Optimus. With a national robotics roadmap and over $1 billion in R&D funding projected by 2026, South Korea isn't just dipping its toes in the humanoid race, it's jumping in feet first. The alliance has also announced plans to create humanoid-friendly testbeds in cities and universities to fast-track deployment. If you thought robots walking among us was still decades away, think again. Korea's blueprint is turning metal dreams into steel reality. Number 1. Google's Dolphin Gemma. In April 2025, Google's DeepMind made waves literally by launching Dolphin Gemma, an AI model trained to analyze and interpret dolphin vocalizations. Using a massive dataset of bottlenose dolphin clicks, whistles, and burst pulses, Dolphin Gemma applies natural language processing and deep learning techniques to decode these marine mammals' complex communication patterns. The goal isn't just to identify sounds, it's to understand meaning. Early results suggest dolphins may use syntax-like rules and unique signature whistles to convey identity, emotion, and intent. This breakthrough could open doors to interspecies communication, allowing researchers, and maybe one day, divers, to respond meaningfully to dolphins in the wild. The project is part of Google's broader effort to explore AI's potential in ecological and conservation sciences, working alongside marine biologists and acoustic engineers. Dolphin Gemma even includes a generative module that can produce simulated dolphin speech, allowing researchers to test theories in real-time communication. As ocean biodiversity faces threats from climate change and pollution, such AI tools could also help monitor dolphin health and social behaviors remotely. It's a glimpse into a future where humans and animals don't just coexist, but might actually converse. Flipper, meet the algorithm. If this glimpse into our AI-powered future blew your mind, imagine what's coming next. We're living in a sci-fi movie, and you're in the front row. Don't miss the next wave of tech that's changing the world one algorithm at a time. Hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never fall behind the future. Because here, the future isn't coming, it's already here.